Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Bemiss, local and long-distance movers near me. We will help you transfer your products locally, interstate, or intrastate, and we have a good working relationship with the federal and local entities in charge of the relocation process. We have insurance coverage for our customers that cover their risk requirements during the move. Our professional team of movers and drivers will assist you in getting your items to their final destination. Because of all of our services are inexpensive, you can trust us not to defraud you. It is less expensive to move your belongings locally than it is to move them vast distances. For a local location, we provide the most affordable services ranging from $30 to $40 per hour. Our local movers are all licensed and dedicated to providing you with the best value for your money. We provide and working in congested cities before, so getting your belongings won't be a problem. With the assistance of our local movers, you can plan out your relocation process. You can learn more about the work we perform by reading feedback from prior and present clients about our work. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Bemiss moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.